Reading practice number 4. Dear Mr. Sweet, the tiger was this country's first fine car utilizing front-wheel drive, period. When drivers discovered the obvious advantages of an engine that delivers power to the front wheels, they were convinced, period. Fame of the tiger spread rapidly because people like the feeling of a car being pulled rather than pushed, paragraph. In addition to front-wheel drive, the latest Tiger has an efficient, effective emissions control system, period. Furthermore, it gets as much as 30 miles on a gallon of gas, paragraph. Look at the latest Tiger the next you are in town, Mrs. Sweet, period. We will be glad to tell to all about it, period. If you wish, we will arrange for a test drive at your convenience, period. Cordially yours,